Meaning of impress.
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 Impress. The word impress can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Generally, it means to make a strong impact or an effect on someone or something. It can mean to create a positive and lasting impression, as in she impressed her boss with her presentation skills. It can also mean to imprint or leave a mark, such as when stamping a logo on a product. In a more technical sense, the term can refer to creating a physical or digital copy of something. Overall, impress emphasizes the power to influence, make a mark, or create a lasting memory.